Hello family, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to turn braiding hair into spring twist, a perfect twist and pull hairstyle that you're going to love. Make sure you check out my other DIY hairstyles up on my channel. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. I have this yarn here, so I'm going to tie this around the door as usual. And then moving on, I have 5 packs of hair here, braiding hair, color number 1. I'm going to start with the basics. I'm going to remove my hair from my pack. I'm going to divide my hair. I'll be working with this size, and then I'm going to hold my hair enough like this, and then I'm going to pass this side here to the other side of the string, and then I'm going to grab the rest of my hair right here with the rest of my fingers, and then I'll loop the hair like that to make a knot. Divide your hair the size that you feel comfortable with. Smoothen your hair and hold it in half. Pass this other side of your hair, the circular part, to the other side of the string. Grab the rest of your hair with the fingers that are left behind, and then tie your hair to form a knot. So for the 5 packs of hair that I have here, I'm going to loop 3 packs here. Okay, so moving on, I looped my hair here. For this part of the video, you're going to need some oil, body oil, Vaseline. I'm going to go ahead and now start twisting this up. I don't know if you watched my twist tutorial. This time, you're going to twist your hair a little like this, and then you're going to pick one hair and then pull it as you push the rest of the hair upwards, and you're going to form something springy. We twist again. You push the hair upwards with this other finger of yours, and then you pull this one like this. You see what I'm doing? Pull it again. Now as you can see, this other side of my hair is long. Now this is where we had the second hair. I'm going to go ahead and add my hair here, right here in the middle, like this. Now I have this side and this side. Okay, for this part you're going to need to be a little patient. So it comes along nicely. See how it looks. Just twist it and then you push it upwards as you hold one side of your hair. I'm going to go ahead and adjust my hair. I'm just going to add my hair here in the middle like this, you see, and then I'm going to bring this one, that is this other side, this side like this, and then I'll continue twisting. Push again. I actually decided to add a little more volume to these braids to give them a little more length. So after I get to the length that I want, I'm going to go ahead and leave the rest of this hair, and then I'll curl it up. I'm going to tie this part up. So for the ones that I started with, I went ahead and removed the hands and then I extended the hair. I'm now done with this hair. So from up here, this is the length downwards, and as you can see, some of my hair here is a little bumpy. The part that is left a little short is what is coming here to form these bumps here when I push the hair upwards. So I'm not going to worry about that. I feel like it looks actually good. Okay, so moving on. Now let's go ahead and cut this hair. So today I'm going to use these pegs here. For the curling, you can use straws or you can even use strings to curl your hair. So what I'm going to do is to wrap my hair around my peg as shown in the video. And when you're doing this, wrap your hair until there is no hair left behind. And then another thing that I'm going to need to do is to tie a string up here so I can secure the upper part so it doesn't come off. There you go. Now that is secure. I want my curls to be uniform, so I'm going to use this thicker part. Wrap even the tiniest bit of the ends of your hair. You see now it doesn't come off. Okay, just like that. Let me just finish this off camera super quick and then I'll be right back. Now that I'm done, let's move on to the next step. I have hot water here in this bucket here. I'm going to go ahead and dip my hair in. I was thinking of just dipping the lower part, but let me just dip the whole hair in. I brought this water to a boil before I poured it in here. As usual, I'm going to let this sit here until the water cools down, and then I'll remove it and then I'll dry it outside. I'm going to remove these strings now. Okay, let me just unravel the rest of camera. Then I'll roll it up to a bundle as usual. And then now I have my glitter ropes here. I'm going to go ahead and tie them up. And then to seal it, I've seen lots of people use a candle, or you can use glue or transparent tape.